Hey everybody, I'm getting my little dreads braided, but do my second take of Uncle Sam. My girlfriend didn't like the first one. She said it sounded like shit.
No, I didn't. Stop lying.
Anyway, alright.
Early one morning while you were asleep, I received a letter where there was no address. You see, I paid it no mind. In fact, I wanted to send it back, but something that I was feeling said open it. It said, dear reader, once close friend of mine, I hope that this letter finds you in time, 'cause your love is ending and my life's just beginning with the woman that I know you holding you. And it made me want to say I don't ever want to see you again, 'cause I stood by you till the end. And my conscience is clear, and I can move on from here. But I wish I could say the same for you, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't ever want to see you again. Tell me, why did it have to be my best friend that you were messing around with? I didn't want to know this kid. I was true to much love for you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It took me a minute to wake up and see what the love of my life is doing to me. I wanted to lay down and die, but my pride would let me cry. But somehow knew I had to get over it. He said he couldn't understand until he felt your touch. Now he can see why I love you so much. And that's so unfair. I never thought I had to share love that I thought was given to only me. And that's why I don't ever want to see you again. I don't want to see. Ooh, I gave you everything, my love and my ring, and you violated me. I don't want to see you again. Yeah.
That's it. Alright. Deuces.